In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder to Dropbox. Whether you're organizing your personal files or collaborating on a project, Dropbox makes it incredibly easy to keep everything in one place. Let's dive into how you can create a new folder in just a few steps. First things first, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to dropbox.com. This is your gateway to all things Dropbox, from accessing your files to creating new ones. You'll be greeted with the home page, where the first thing you need to do is log into your account. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the login button. Click on it. This will direct you to the login page, where you have a few options to access your account. For simplicity and speed, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log into Dropbox using your Google account, making the process seamless and straightforward. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here you want to focus on navigating to the Files section. This section is essentially the backbone of Dropbox, where all your folders and files are organized. Now onto the exciting part, creating a new folder. Look for the Create Folder button, typically located towards the right side of your screen or within a menu option, depending on your layout. This action is your first step towards organization heaven in Dropbox. Clicking on Create Folder will prompt a small dialog box to appear. Here's where you get to name your folder anything you like. Consider using a name that clearly indicates the content or purpose of the folder, whether it's family, photos, work projects, or anything else that suits your needs. Type in your chosen name for the folder. Once you're happy with the name, the last step is simply to click the Create button. And just like magic, your brand new folder is now created and ready for you to use. It will appear in your main dashboard, standing by to be filled with your files. And there you have it, a brand new folder in Dropbox ready to be filled with all your important files. It's simple when you know the steps, isn't it? Adding a folder to Dropbox not only helps you to keep your digital life organized, but also makes it easier to share multiple files with colleagues, friends, or family. Remember, the key to effective digital organization is consistency in how you name and structure your folders. This will save you time and reduce stress when you're trying to locate an important document or photo in the future. Additionally, you can create as many folders as you need, organizing them within each other for more complex structures. Lastly, don't forget that Dropbox isn't just for individual use, it's a powerful tool for teams and collaboration. You can share folders to collaborate on projects, ensuring everyone involved has access to the latest version of files, anytime and anywhere. So, that wraps up our guide on how to add a folder to Dropbox. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, whether you're decluttering your digital files or setting up a shared space for a team project. Knowing how to adeptly manage your folders in Dropbox is a skill that will always come in handy. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share about using Dropbox more effectively, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.